Hey, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're working with the Creality Falcon 2 Pro laser engraver, and we're going to do some really cool slate coasters. So I'm going to show you how I got it set up in Lightburn. We're going to burn one. Takes about an hour to burn them. Really good detail. So follow along. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so the first thing you start with is slate coasters. You can buy them on Amazon, many different places. I like to spray paint them with a flat black paint. It gives a little bit more depth to the engraving when you're done. This is just a 4x4 coaster. I've got a spot set up in the laser engraver already lined up. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got our image in Lightburn. I processed it in ImageR to 360 dots per inch, and I used the banding method, white tile painted black. I've imported it. Now, one thing I always do, just makes it easier for me. You'll notice there's a blue box here. I put a blue or a box, then I burn that into like a piece of paper. Then I lay my image on top of that box. So now I know exactly where to put my material in the laser engraver. Even though I've got a camera on this, sometimes the camera's off just a little bit. I found this works every time. Saves me a lot of headaches. So you have two layers. When you get ready to burn, you turn off the box layer, or the line layer it is here, and then I've got my image. Now I've got my image, my speed set at 2200 with a 7.5 power. Now this is a 22 watt laser engraver. Got it set for the Jarvis method. No pass through, no negative image. And if we do a preview, you'll see what we're going to get on the tile. We'll close the lid on the laser engraver. We're going to hit start. It says 1 hour and 3 minutes. We'll be back in an hour and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so our burn is almost complete. Says about another minute, somewhere in that neighborhood. Doing this is just so relaxing some days. You get unbelievable detail. Once you learn your settings, every machine's a little different too, by the way. I went through probably 4 coasters before I found the perfect settings. I've got this at 2200 millimeters per minute at a 7.5% power. I'm getting amazing detail. It pops even more when you put a little bit of clear coat on it. Be a picture right up here, what it looks like with a coat of clear on it. Just get out there and have some fun with one of these things. The Creality Falcon 2 Pro 22 watt laser engraver. Beautiful detail. You can do all kinds of things with it. It doesn't disappoint. Links for it will be below. Check them out. Get yourself one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.